pins. Earnings came out tonight. We're seeing the stock bid up on the news. Just so we're clear on the earnings, they weren't great. They came in at 11 cents. They were supposed to come in at 18. Monthly active users, which are MAUs, are down 5%. Sales are down 666, which is an awful number, versus 673. So it's not exactly what we want to see at all. But they said revenue is growing mid-single digits on a year-over-year basis. And they did say that operating expenses should grow in a low double-digit percentage. I really think that why it's up is because it wasn't a dumpster fire like Snap. And this one has the most movement like Snap. So what does that mean? Well, I like the fact that you already popped over on the 15-minute, which usually is a really good sign that this is going to push and go higher. What we have to understand is what's the end game here, okay? So we know Elliott Management took a 9% position in this. We know that PayPal, right, was looking at buying pins earlier, and we know that Elliott Management took an 8% or 9% position in PayPal. Okay, so it seems to me that the end game here is some kind of merger or cost-cutting environment or some kind of symbiotic relationship between those two companies. I would not bet against Elliott Management. Let me just be really clear about that. Would I be buying this at 24? No. We've been talking about this in the trading room. You buy it when it gets closer down to this level because that's when they started buying it. So you know where you have support. Very similar to another one we're about to go through where you already know you have a buyer. So what do you do now with this? You can trade this after hours. For me, I would like to see it come back down, maybe this 21.13 level. See if you can get some off there, right? This has really been a key resistance level. So now that resistance, they flip to what? Support. So if you can get down to that 21, you could try the trade. I would suggest that you consider building a long-term position in this, but be willing to deal with the ups and downs of it. I think you're better off doing that with it because they're going to do something between PayPals and pins, in my opinion. We just don't know what. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.